Good afternoon. How can I be of service today?
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Certainly. May I see your passport and airline ticket?
Sure.
Thank you. Will it be just one person checking in today?
Yes, just one person.
Do you have any luggage you would like to check in?
Yes, I'd like to check in 2 pieces of luggage. This other one I will carry on.
Great. Then could you please place the luggage you'd like to check in here on the baggage belt?
Sure.
Thank you very much. And would you prefer an aisle or window seat?
I'd prefer a window seat.
Certainly. Also, are you carrying any of these banned items today?
No, I'm not.
Then here's your boarding pass, baggage ticket and your passport. Please make sure to fill out an immigration form as well.
Yes, I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I suggest you head directly to your departure gate, C13, as your flight is expected to depart within the next 30 minutes. Have a safe flight, Mr. Smith.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Sir, please show me your passport and boarding pass.
Okay, here you go.
Are you carrying any liquid items over 100 milliliters?
No, I'm not.
Then please empty all your pockets of any metal objects. Remove your belt, jacket and shoes and place them separately in one of the grey trays.
Okay.
Sir, are you carrying any electronic devices like laptops or smartphones in your bag?
Yes, I have a laptop in my bag.
Then please take it out and put it in one of the grey trays.
Okay.
Please make sure you take all your items.
Hello, is there anything I can help you with?
Yes, I would like to buy a good quality whiskey. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, I recommend this whiskey. It's a 21-year-old single malt from Japan and it's very good quality.
Looks very nice. How much is it?
It's £150.
It's a bit expensive, but I'll take it.
Excellent choice. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Then that will be £150.
Okay, just one moment. Here is exactly £150 in cash.
Thank you very much. Here's your receipt and your whiskey. Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you. Excuse me, what's your exchange rate for buying British pounds and selling US dollars?
Let me check for you. The current rate for buying British pounds and selling US dollars is 1.30.
I see. Okay, then I'd like to exchange 200 pounds. How much US dollars will I receive then?
Let me calculate that for you. current exchange rate will convert your £200 to US $260. However, we also take a 5% commission, so the total amount you'll receive is US $247. Would you like to exchange £200?
Yes, I'd like that.
Then please fill out this money exchange form.
Here's my completed form.
Thank you very much. And here is exactly US $247 and your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the pre-boarding announcement for flight JX365 bound for New York. We're now inviting passengers with small children or any passengers that require special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes' time. Thank you. Paging customer Mr. John Smith for flight JX365 bound for New York. Mr. John Smith, this is your final call. Please proceed to gate C13 for immediate boarding. Final call for Mr. John Smith for flight JX365. Please proceed to gate C13 for immediate boarding, as your flight will be departing shortly.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Jumbo Airlines Flight 365 departing from London and bound for New York. My name is Karen Smith, and I will be your purser for today's flight. At this time, we advise all carry-on items to be securely stowed underneath the seat in front of you or above in the overhead compartment. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened and your seats and tray tables are in their upright position. Anytime the seatbelt sign is on, please make sure to fasten your seatbelt, as we may experience unexpected turbulence. All electronic devices must be turned off or on airplane mode, as it may interfere with the aircraft's communication systems. There are a total of 8 exits in this aircraft, with 4 exits on each side. If you are seated near an exit, you may be asked to perform an emergency evacuation procedure. If you are unable to perform any of these functions, we will gladly offer you another seat. Smoking is strictly prohibited on any jumbo flights in accordance with Civil Aviation Authority regulations. Lastly, if there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let one of our flight attendants know. Thank you, and have a pleasant flight.
Good evening. What would you like for your meal?
Hi, what choices do you have?
We have chicken with vegetables or beef with noodles. Which would you like?
I'll have the beef with noodles.
Certainly. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, what do you have?
We have red or white wine, soft drinks, beer, and hot beverages.
I'll have a glass of red wine, thanks.
Certainly. Here's your red wine.
Thank you. Just one more thing. Could I get a bread roll?
Of course. What type of bread roll would you like? We have either white or brown bread rolls.
Oh, I have a gluten allergy. So, do you have any gluten-free bread rolls?
I'm sorry. I'm afraid we don't have any.
I see. Then I'll pass on the bread roll. Thank you anyway.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JFK International Airport. This is your captain speaking. For safety reasons, please leave your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. We ask all passengers to make sure you have left nothing behind and that you have your passport and immigration forms ready. It's currently 7 a.m. local time, and the temperature is a cold 34 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been a real pleasure to have you on board this flight. We do hope you fly again with Jumbo Airlines. On behalf of the entire crew, we wish you all a safe and pleasant time in New York.
Passport and immigration form, please.
Here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit, Mr. Smith?
I'm here for business.
How long will you be staying in New York?
For a week.
Where have you traveled from?
London.
And where will you be staying?
At the Park Hyatt.
I hear that's nice.
I hope so. It cost me quite a bit of money.
Okay, Mr. Smith, could you please place both hands on the fingerprint scanner and look straight into the camera?
Sure.
Thank you, and enjoy your stay.
Okay, thanks.
Passport and customs form, please.
Here you go.
Sir, do you have anything to declare?
Yes, I'd like to declare this whiskey bottle.
How many bottles of whiskey do you have?
Just one bottle of whiskey.
Could you please open your luggage? I'd like to inspect them.
But I have nothing else to declare.
Sir, just please open your bag.
Fine.
Thank you. Please go through.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.